Get excited about the 2011 Lincoln MKT. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, such as cruise control, leather upholstery, a tachometer, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, front and rear air conditioning, a power rear cargo door, and fully automatic headlights. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. State-of-the-art amenities such as steering wheel memory and adjustable pedals yields a more personal driving experience. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. When road conditions become unpredictable, rely on all-wheel drive to maintain outstanding control. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.